हाय एवरीवन, नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज इस वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू सम रियली नाइस ब्यूटी मस्ट हैव्स फॉर दिस फेस्टिव सीज़न, जो मुझे लगता है आपकी वैनिटी में ज़रूर होना चाहिए इस फेस्टिव सीज़न में। आई हैव ऑल्सो क्रिएटेड दिस लुक यूजिंग दीज मस्ट हैव प्रोडक्ट जो मैं बताने जा रही हूँ आपको। सो यू कैन जस्ट हैव अ लुक हाउ दे look on me and how they और ये स्किन पे कैसे लगते हैं. So let's get started with beauty must haves for the season. So the very first thing I would say, invest in a good facial kit, especially if you want to do it at your home. नहीं तो of course अपना स्किन केयर वगैरह अगर घर पे करते हैं good, नहीं तो इस फेस्टिव सीजन में अगर आप बाहर से सैलून से भी कराते हैं, that's a good option. But if you don't want to spend a lot of money there, invest in a good facial kit at home. So I will recommend you this facial kit. So this is a huge kit because I got it for my salon as well. But इसमें 6 piece of facial kits है. This is Oxylife Salon Professional Gold Radiance Bridal Kit. Yes, to have that really nice bridal glow. आप ये kit ले सकते हैं. तो इस kit में आपको 8 steps मिलेंगे and they're amazing. You get a cleanser, you get a polisher, you get an anti-tan pack and gold radiance serum है, then massage cream, mask, under eye smoother. Generally we don't get under eye gels or creams or smoothers in facial kit. And lastly, there's a skin brightening lock system, so it's a very good facial. That's why I'm keeping it for my salon as well. So definitely I will recommend you having this. आप पूरा बड़ा पैक नहीं लेना चाहते, एक छोटा पैक ले लीजिए just for your own use to have that really nice glowy skin in this festive season. And whatever products I'm recommending you, I will be providing the link in the description box, तो आप ले सकते हैं. So I got the bigger packaging. I will be putting the bigger packaging product link. So अगर आप छोटी भी लेना चाहते हैं, you can go ahead and purchase that as well. My next recommendation for the beauty must have is a good foundation. So आपने अगर मेरी recent videos कुछ ध्यान से देखी हैं, there is one foundation I'm loving it, and honestly I'm not sponsored for this foundation, but genuinely I love this foundation and I'm gonna keep this foundation in my salon because I really want to give good makeup to my clients, and I think this will play a very important role in that. बिकॉज फाउंडेशन अच्छी हो तो आपका मेकअप ऑलरेडी अच्छा लगने लग जाता है. एंड दिस इज़ चामेसी फाउंडेशन. आई हैव ऑल द 12 शेड्स ऑफ दिस फाउंडेशन एंड आई एम वेयरिंग इट राइट नाउ. एंड दिस वन जो आज मैंने शेड लगाया है, दैट्स अ 01. दैट्स लाइक perfect for medium skin tone, so you can go ahead and have that. I will definitely recommend this foundation to everyone, चाहे आप कोई भी skin type हो, oily, normal, dry, combination, any skin type, it will suit you and it will give you that really nice flawless and really nice smooth finish. एंड बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव भी नहीं है, 1099 की है, सो बजट फ्रेंडली है. अगर आप अच्छी फाउंडेशन ढूंढ रहे हैं, स्पेशली इफ़ यू वांट टू कीप इट इन योर वैनिटी एंड इफ़ यू आर अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड हैविंग दिस फाउंडेशन in your vanity. So yeah, that's my second recommendation for this beauty must haves. Also आप side पे भी देख रहे हैं how I'm using it and how it is looking. So the next must have is a concealer. So concealer, I would suggest you to have this one. This is Loreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer, very good for this festive season. आपका कहीं नहीं जाएगा. If you are doing गरबा डांडिया in this नवरात्रि, you can just apply this and you're just free to dance and roam here and there because ये कहीं नहीं जाने वाला. Once it's set, it's full coverage and it's very long lasting. I love this concealer. I'm using it since so many years. So this is my old bottle which is almost about to finish, so this is the backup. So I love it so much. And the shade I use is 312. I generally use it for highlighting some points of my face, but मैं इसके जो दूसरे 2 शेड्स हैं, ये 3 शेड्स में अवेलेबल है, वो भी अपने वैनिटी में ज़रूर डालूंगी because I want to use it on my clients as well because this is like so good. So abhi this is a 312 and I highly recommend this concealer as well. This gives you this really nice flawless look. And sometimes if I'm not wearing any foundation, मैं इसे अकेला भी लगाती हूँ. I blend it really nicely and I'm good to go. I don't feel any need of anything else if I'm putting this concealer. It covers everything. Yeah, so that's my another beauty must-have recommendation for this festive season. Another beauty must-have recommendation for this festive season. So this is the new product I tried recently, but I was pretty impressed. Again, I'm not sponsored. Again, this product is by Charmacy Milano, and this is their Insane Shifter Liquid Eyeshadow. Their shade shifter eyeshadows are already popular and I have lots of shades of that, but मैंने पहली बार इनका liquid वाला try किया and I completely love it. I think it's much more easier to use if you are in hurry. आपको quickly बहुत अच्छा look चाहिए. I think this is the one you can go for. I'm wearing it right now and यहाँ पे आप side पे देख सकते हैं how I'm using it. Of course I have combined it with other eyeshadows, but मेरा base जो main eyeshadow है इस लुक में it is this eyeshadow and it is really pretty. This is the swatch and you can see how pretty it is shifting the shade. It's looking red, it's looking green, olive green, very beautiful. So it's really beautiful. So this one is expensive and this is 02 shade and I think ये 999 का है, I'm not sure. Yeah, this retails for 895. But deals चलती रहती हैं, discounts चलते रहते हैं, so you might get it a little cheaper. But definitely I might go for more shades in this one as well because I love it so much and it looks really nice and it's so quick. मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात यही लगी, it's very quick to wear. Yeah, okay. Another must-have जो कि मुझे लगा बहुत quick and बहुत easy to use है because sometimes in this festive season we don't have time. We have to go somewhere very quickly and we have to look good as well. So this is Blue Heaven की Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer Pencil. I love Sugar's pencil as well, Brow Definer pencil. But this one is very pocket friendly and it is almost same. The way it works, waxy पेंसिल है जो कि आपके बालों को थोड़ा सा सेट भी कर देती है. दिस इज़ दिस ब्राउन शेड एंड दिस इज़ दिस स्वॉच एंड इट जस्ट fills your eyebrows really nicely and on the other hand you have spoolie, you can just brush. So काफ़ी हद तक सेम है शुगर और ये वाली pencil, but the price difference is insane. This is way more cheaper than the sugar one and it works as similar to this Sugar Cosmetics pencil. So definitely you can go for this eyebrow enhancer for this festive season. So another product, another must-have is a mascara. So I've raved about this mascara in so many videos of mine and I completely love it and this gives me this really nice false lash effect, but this is a waterproof mascara and I generally don't like waterproof mascara, but this is an exception. This is a Swiss Beauty Lift and Curl 4D mascara and मैंने एक वीडियो भी डाली है कि being waterproof, why I love it so much, because waterproof होने के बावजूद ये निकालना बहुत आसान है. I have also done a video कि how you can just take off this mascara without any makeup remover and just using water, but there's a trick to it, there's a tip to it. So I'll be linking that video somewhere here ताकि आप देख सकें. वो ज़्यादा लोगों ने देखी नहीं हुई है वीडियो, but it's so good. I really want to tell you guys a good trick to remove this mascara and बहुत आसानी से उतर जाता है and waterproof भी है. I know दोनों चीज़ें आपको contradictory लग रही होगी, but once you will see that video you'll get to know what I'm saying. Yeah, so highly recommend this mascara and you can see how beautiful my lashes look after applying this mascara. So definitely recommend this one as well for this festive season. Okay, I'm just left with 3 more beauty recommendations, so let's go with them quickly. Alright, so the next thing I got are these blushes. This is like whole set और इसमें मुझे 6 blushes मिले हैं and 6 different colors. This is by some brand called Huda Moji. I don't know how the brand is, but as you can see, जैसे ही मैंने इसमें से blush लगाया, it was very pigmented and when I blended it, it was still very pigmented. So you need a teeny tiny of the blush because ये बहुत pigmented है. मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. For this price, I think this is a very good deal. I got the 6-piece set at rupees 775. सो आपको आई थिंक 150 से भी कम का भी एक ब्लश पड़ा, आई थिंक 110 रुपये का पड़ा, विच इज़ इनसेन. एंड आई गॉट ऑल दी शेड्स जो कि इनके पास अवेलेबल थे. एंड they have some dark shades, they have some pinks, they have some brown, red, I think हर तरह का blush है. And I love it so much. And this is how the packaging looks like. I think this is a replica or copy of some high-end blush, but these were really good in terms of pigmentation as well. So बुरे नहीं हैं बिल्कुल भी. So this is like a nude, pinkish nude shade. I'm wearing the number 3, which is very dark, and this is the nude shade, and when I blend it, it's still very pigmented, you know, like, you know, it's very pigmented. It will look a little pale on my skin tone because I'm a little dusky, but they're very pigmented. And if you love liquid blushes, I would definitely recommend, because liquid blushes are something which lasts long, and that's why I'm recommending these blushes in my must-have beauty favorites, in my beauty must-haves for this festive season. So definitely go for these. Yeah, or I think ये individual भी available होंगे, I'm not sure, but you can just get these. You know, they're so good, they're very good. And you know, इसके ऊपर मैंने कोई भी powder blush नहीं लगाया है. It's just this blush which I'm wearing right now, and it's quite pigmented, it is long lasting, and it looks really good, and it just gives this really nice healthy glow as well. So definitely recommend these blushes as well. Again, the link will be in the description box, so आप check out कर सकते हैं. I think this is a very good beauty find आप कह सकते हैं जो मुझे मिला Amazon पे. Yeah. So now I'm left with 2 last products. So the second last one is lipstick. So I got these lipsticks. So ये एक ही तरह की lipstick है. I just got the different shades, and all the shades are nudes. Yeah, but these are so good, so good. I might add more colors of this range in my collection, and very lightweight, very nourishing, and kiss proof. So these are Swiss Beauty की Hold Me Matte 24 Hour Stay Matte Lipsticks. Beautiful shades, very nice application, बहुत ही अच्छी लगी मुझे. And sadly I got all the nudes because अब मुझे हो रहा है कि ये बहुत अच्छी lipsticks हैं. I should have gotten some other bright colors as well, but I will. So I got 3 shades: 05 Lusty Red, 02 Please Me Nude, and 01 Cute Nude. Right now I'm wearing 2 shades, Lusty Rusty, sorry, not Lusty Red, it's Lusty Rusty and Cute Nude. Lusty Rusty से मैंने lip line किया है, and Cute Nude से मैंने fill किया है. And this is a beautiful nude shade, and I'm sure Please Me Nude भी उतना ही प्यारा nude होगा जितने ये हैं. And definitely I'm purchasing more of these colors. Yeah, so अगर आपको लॉन्ग लास्टिंग कंफर्टेबल लिपस्टिक चाहिए, एंड दैट टू इन बजट, आई वुड डेफिनेटली ask you to go for these one. These are Swiss Beauty Hold Me Matte 12 Hour Stay lipsticks, so definitely check them out. Try one, you know, if you like it then only purchase more shades, but I'm very sure कि आपको पसंद आएगी. So the last beauty must have for this festive season is a good setting spray. You really need your makeup to last long, and अगर आप एक अच्छा setting spray में invest करते हैं to last long your makeup, I think that's the best thing you can do. And for me, this works really good, and this is, I think, is a dupe of Urban Decay All Nighter. It works similar, very similar, and this is Loreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set Makeup Extender Spray. मैंने ये बहुत बार यूज़ किया. I think ये मेरी आधी हो चुकी है बॉटल, and I will definitely repurchase it because Urban Decay All Nighter is very expensive. If you want an affordable dupe of that, definitely go for this one. Makeup काफ़ी अच्छी तरह आपका सेट करता है, and it doesn't make your face sweaty or something, and in fact it बहुत अच्छे से आपके मेकअप को सेट करता है, and it gives that really nice glow as well, and your makeup stays longer and it doesn't go anywhere. Definitely recommend this setting spray for this festive season. So ये थे सारे beauty must haves for this festive season, and everything I got it from Amazon. I have all the links in the description, आप check out कर सकते हैं. and let me know if you want me to try something from Amazon. I will be definitely and more than happy to try and give my reviews about it. So yeah, so that's it for the video. I hope you're all pumped up for this festive season, because I am pumped up. मैं तो बहुत excited हूँ for lots of reasons, especially my new venture, my salon is gonna start soon, and I can't wait to create more content for you guys in my that space as well. So आप बहुत सी videos आगे देखेंगे जो कि मेरे स्टूडियो के सेटअप में होंगी, एंड आई रियली can't wait to start working there. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye.